you. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Ashwin ji and Shilpa ji for giving us this wonderful Mahavatar Nasima. And to answer to this question, we concentrate more, we give more stress on the storytelling, and we want this story to be like resonate in the universe, like at the world level. But at the same time, like we look at it as an Indian story, culturally rooted, and the local story, which we have to take it to the world. So that's what we look at whenever we do all these movies, be it KGF, Kantara, Salar, and Mata Nasima. So the vision was matching, that's how we collaborated. So it's all divine blessings.
Absolutely, divine blessings are always with you. Ashwin has joined in, and the most successful debut director is here with us.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
There has been no sleep to sink things in. Everything is going on a rampage mode, just like a Lord Narasimha in the last 25 minutes. So yeah, but it's surreal. It's surreal and it's unreal in many ways. But I'm happy because the people of Bharat has really embraced this film. The cultural history of our ancestors and land is really shining all the way through in their hearts. That is the belief with which we had made the film, because we knew we are dealing with a spiritual divine subject. And it has resonated with the people of Bharat. That itself gives me a lot of satisfaction. So that has sunk in, yes.
Let's have a round of applause for that. Successful director, the smile says it all. Shilpa had the conviction when you started with this, when the script came to you, what made you believe in this film? You had the conviction, Devapna produced ki. When the script came to you, when you heard it, what made you believe in this?
Okay, so I don't know if you're aware, but he's my director, but he's my husband as well. So he's been, since our marriage, he's been sharing his dream of having our scriptures through media and entertainment, because people are not reading too much scriptures this time. So he said, I really want to impact people's life, and which is only possible because of the scriptures which we have. Because with the whole Kali Yuga coming, people are getting depressed, there's too much of negativity, and he felt that the scriptures can definitely enlighten people. They can put a little bit faith in them, and which will make their life better. So 7-8 years we've been discussing, talking, we've been working hard to make money for this project. So it was never that the script kind of a thing. I was with him from day one. I will be with him till last day. So whatever script he chooses, I'm going to be with him and supporting him.
Absolutely, that's one happy family.
Yeah, that's true.
Anil sir, you have Mahavatar Narasimha.
Thank you all for being here today. I really thank Umbade, Ashwin and Shilpa for letting me be a part of this prestigious film. I think what's different for me is when I see audiences leaving the slippers out of the auditorium, watching the film. That's such a surreal feeling that there is God there, and He chooses even these small films and creates history out of it. I think that's the most touching thing for me where this film is concerned.
It's not a problem. Can you answer in Hindi? My question. Okay, thank you. So, my first question, I have 2-3 questions. पहला question मेरा producers आपके साथ है. That what was the conviction like, just announcing 10 or 8-9 films, I think Mahavatar series, and this film has already done 100 crores. So what was the conviction like? First question to you. Second, Anil, कि आप बहुत सारी फिल्में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, बतौर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर एनिमेशन फिल्म में जो कन्विक्शन होता है और किस तरह से आप बिजनेस देखते हो उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, ये 2 क्वेश्चंस मेरे आप लोगों से.
So when we started, हाँ, तो हमने जब ये प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना शुरू किया था, तो हम लोगों को नरसिम्हा अवतार और वराह अवतार में कवर किया था. तो हमको मालूम था कि हमको आगे के अवतार भी कवर करने हैं. अभी लोग पूछते हैं कि अगर इसने पैसा बनाया होता या नहीं बनाया होता, उससे शायद फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज हमारा लाइफ का विजन बहुत क्लियर है कि हमको अपने शास्त्र सिर्फ इंडिया के घर घर में नहीं, अपने वर्ल्ड के घर घर में लेके जाने हैं. जैसे घर घर में यहाँ पे सबके बच्चों के पास सुपरमैन, स्पाइडरमैन है ना, ऐसे ही वो तो सब आपको भी पता है फैंटेसी है, बट हमारे शास्त्र फैंटेसी नहीं है, वो हिस्ट्री है हमारी. तो अश्विन वॉज वेरी श्योर कि उसको घर घर में स्टोरी लेके जानी ही है, और हमको पता था कि अगर पूरा सच्चे मन से हम इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करेंगे, हमने सब कुछ लगाया है इसके ऊपर, तो भगवान हमारा साथ क्यों छोड़ेगा। इट्स अ डिवाइन प्रोजेक्ट, और भगवान के अलावा कुछ और है भी तो नहीं ना जिसके ऊपर आप ट्रस्ट करके सब कुछ कर सकते हो। मेरे लिए तो वही सब कुछ है। तो हमको था कि अगर हम सच्चे मन से और दिल से इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं का ही काम कर रहे हैं, तो उन्हीं का ही मतलब ही हैज़ टू मेक श्योर कि हम इतना पैसा बनाएं कि हम बाकी प्रोजेक्ट भी कर पाएँ। तो कन्विक्शन का कोई डाउट ही नहीं था। सेकेंडली व्हेन वी मेट होम्बाले, तो आई रिमेम्बर चालू सर और विजय सर ने कहा था कि हम करेंगे तो ये एक पे नहीं करेंगे, फिर सब में करेंगे। तो जब आपके पास इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन हाउस आपके सपोर्ट के लिए है, फिर तो वैसे ही आपके सारे डर खत्म हो जाते हैं।
अनिल आपके
सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब होम्बाले चलवे सर एंड विजय सर ने फ़ोन किया कि एक पिक्चर है हमारे पास एंड वी वुड लाइक यू टू सी इट, मैंने जब पिक्चर देखी, I was really surprised with the quality of animation that was created by an Indian in our country, and so I was really taken aback. Besides the subject, it was the quality of the film that they had made, and by default, God is there made me get associated with this film, and history is being created.
Hello. Hi Ashwin. My question is to you.
जी।
I've watched the film. Congratulations on the
Yes.
success, by the
हम
way.
पहले मिले हुए हैं।
Yes, the last 25 minutes of the film, pure brilliance. I remember you saying that it took you 8 years to make Mahavatar Narsimha.
जी
At the end of the film, you've announced Mahavatar Parshuram.
जी।
When can we expect that?
So नरसिंह भगवान की See, the point is that when you look at the technological advances that are there today, the time that we had started, we didn't have those facilities. And of course, then we're dealing with a certain budget, with a certain technology at hand. And technology ऐसा है कि it obsoletes faster than you think, right? So it is only by the grace of divine that this has been pulled off to such an extent. But the next time around, people, Janta Janardan ko expectation hai, right? So we also need to up our game and up our technology, and of course we have wonderful producers, distributors, and Anil bhai, pan India. But now we have tech, we have the artists, so we need to pan it out faster. We need to dish it out faster. So 2 years is what we are looking at to dish out Mahavatar Parshuram like never seen before, in a scale that's never been experienced before. That is my promise to you. Yes.
Yeah, hi sir. Myself Poonam, I'm from Bollywood Teams and
जी।
Gralakshmi magazine.
जी।
So I've seen the whole film,
जी।
and this film is given a really very positive aura and very confident, and it shows the symbol of that. I really didn't understand that the person he was having this 4-5 things, that he has an anger, he has greediness, he has a lust, he has all these issues,
Correct।
the negative character.
Yeah.
सो वो डर, उसको पता है कि वो गलत है और वो इसलिए छुप के बैठता था क्योंकि उसको पता है कि वो गलत है। बट वाई ही टारगेट हिज ओन सन, वाई हिज ओन सन, मतलब क्यों उसको टारगेट करा उसने? उसका खुद का ही बच्चा था।
See, since time immemorial, if you look at, there is no stopping the ego of a madman. You know.
Yeah.
So this is just one such story that you basically see. When you have megalomaniacs having a reign of power, a person has a certain merit and consequence, right?
Yeah.
तो इसी प्रकार से अगर आप सोचें कि if you had all the power of almost not dying, what would you do? Because if you don't have the conscience and anchor, then you'll go astray. This is what Hiranyakashipu is. Now today in this world also we have many Hiranyakashipus, little Hiranyakashipus. घूम रहे छोटे रावण घूम रहे हैं, छोटे हिरण्यकश्यप घूम रहे हैं. Is it not?
Everywhere, all every second, every moment.
Yeah. So कितने सारे घरों में ऐसा हो रहा है, पिताजी एडवोकेट हैं, वो चाहते हैं बेटा भी एडवोकेट बने, बेटा कहता नहीं मैं बड़े होकर एक्टर बनूंगा. It starts with an A also, you know. But power might want to project his power onto others. But the divine will always find a way to balance, and this is what this divine intervention of Bhagwan Narsimha is. आपके पास कितनी भी शक्तियाँ हो, you cannot fool the divine balance because it will find its way.
Yeah, one more thing I want to ask, that when that guy, the negative character, was Hiranyakashipu was troubling to the child, he's been going through very tough time and bad things he's seen, you know.
The child,
every time, yeah. it was a
Last question.
सबसे अच्छी चीज ये मिली कि वो भगवान के दर्शन कर पाया. That's the best thing that I can think of. Yes, that's all I can say on this.
Did you ever think of making it as a live film with actors, or it was?
आपने कभी ये सोचा कि इसको मतलब एक्टर्स के साथ प्रॉपर नॉन एनिमेशन फिल्म बनाए द नॉर्मल वे, और इट वाज ऑलवेज
Film as a movie, and actors के लिए इतने high end budget नहीं थे हमारे पास, that because it would have costed us way more, and animation being my foray, तो I knew कि I need the exaggeration का liberty. So animation gives me that sense of freedom to exaggerate. So when you have Nrsimha Bhagwan with 8 hands fighting each hand independently, it cannot be done in live action anyway, right? So the world
एनिमेशन फिल्म्स, इंडियन एनिमेशन फिल्म्स रेयरली इफ एवर चली है, रेयरली एक आध चली है. तो व्हाट गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस, स्क्रिप्ट और हिज विजन और व्हाट?
I think both. When we saw the movie, then it was not a kids or kids cartoon kind of animation. So when we were discussing, we were on the same line. Like when we told them we have to change the perception of India, where the animation is treated as a kids stuff. And after seeing the movie, we know like it's no more a kids stuff. That perception has changed, and we can do a lot more if it clicks. So that's why we got associated, and that's what we discussed. The perception of kids animation has to go in India. That's what was the intention.
Hi, this is Upala. I write from Vidya. Hi, Arvind. When you're making animation film and one will say stars, etc., my question is that is it as expensive as a film with stars, or is it lesser expensive? What is the whole budget of say an animation film in comparison to a normal one with stars? Like if you made this with stars. Yes.
Definitely, if it was with star, it would have costed more, because the major factor is star's remuneration. It will be more than your production cost. So that 50% is saved.
And were you always confident of the success? Because, and this is for all of you, that you have stopped one of the roller coasters of this year, Sayara, in its tracks, you know. So, and of course other releases too, that it could be one of the biggest surprise blockbusters of the year. As a producer, did you ever think this?
We had a confidence in the movie, so we knew, like, see, if you see this, the story was not new, and it has came in animation form, and in Kannada we had the same movie was done by Dr. Rajkumar with Puneet, and Telugu it was the first color movie, Bhatta Prahlada. The story was not new, but the way the animation was done, and last 20-25 minutes of action sequence, like it was no less than a live action movie. So when Anil sir saw the movie with Prabhas sir and Prashant Neel, they called Ashwin and told, like, you come down to South and do an action movie. So that was the comment they gave, and so that's why, like, it was different, and it was no more a kid stuff. So that's how it became. We had a confidence, like the intention was not to take away the success of other movies, but the movie had it, the content was so good, like it is running well. I think other movies had done its business, and it was in a slowing trend. So our intention was not to slow down any other movies.
Anil, this question is for you. What gave you the confidence, the conviction to release it with the others, especially, you know, when one particular movie was already doing so well?
So I guess you just have to have the confidence in the film that you're releasing, and then success is not up to you, it's up to the audiences. And it was a quality film, whether this film or Kantara that Umar had made earlier, it was, or even a KGF for that matter, part 1. It was a small Kannada film, but it's the content that really took over, and I mean, it's basically up to the audiences to take it where it's today.
My question is to Jordan sir. Sir, you have some big and exciting projects coming up, like Kantara Chapter 1, Salar 2. So could you please share a bit more about what's in store from me?
Our most anticipated movie is coming on October 2nd, Kantara Chapter 1. So after that we have Salar 2, and we have signed 2 more movies with Prabhas sir, and of course we have signed with Hrithik Roshan which is in the very preliminary stage. And we have a couple of more projects which are in a very preliminary stage. We will disclose at the right time. So we are excited.
Hi Ashwin. Hi, over here. Shilajit from the Bollywood Report India.
Namaste.
Yeah. Ashwin, tell me a bit about the international and global reception of the film so far. I know shows were increased in North America and then the film arrived in New Zealand and Australia.
Yeah.
How's been the vibe from there? And the second part to this is in pre-release interviews you had said that we have anime, we have some Chinese animation that have become cultural touchstones over the years. What's your vision to sort of have the world take notice of Indian animation as well as a broader culture?
So I think I'll take the second question first and segue it into the first one. Indian animation state of affairs has rather not been the best, as to put it in the least, but the potential is huge. Why? Because A, we are a culturally rich land of stories. This is the place and heritage of stories. That's how I believe it. That's how I see it to be. तो stories हैं हमारे पास. We have skills, because if you look at all the international films, तो उसमें end में सारे Indian names होते हैं. So that means the skill is there. All we need is to just basically consolidate the will to do it. And I feel that given the next open source tech and democratization of all the tech at hand, it's not too far where you see independent creators such as me and many more to come. They're going to break the mold. That's definitely going to happen. I can vouch for it. In the next 5 years, you will have around 5 people sitting in the garage made a film that does 1,000 CR. It is going to happen, mark my words. Because it's just the will of people. The youth today is like crazy. They're crazy to do things, right? They just need the fire in the belly, and I think somebody is going to pop up and do this, right? I hope it's us, right? That being said,
Not the intention is not a competition.
I know, but
So
it does help. It does help.
yeah, we wanted to have our own VFX, and we are the people in hand. So there were 200, 300 people who were available at the same time. So we started, and the operation started. As I said, like we will definitely work on the next unit.
आ रहे हैं कि हम सब कुछ छोड़ करके खत्म हो गए थे, और आपकी उस एक सीन ने हमको बचा लिया. हमको एक सीन से वो उत्तर मिल गया जहां प्रहलाद महाराज को विष्णु भगवान ने गोद में उठा रखा है. क्योंकि all of us think in our imagination that if we were to confront God and sit with God, what would we say? तो वो सीन एक प्रकार से वो उनको दर्शाता है. छोटे छोटे बच्चे खड़े होकर के बोल रहे हैं ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय या नरसिंह भगवान की जय, बिकॉज उनको लगता है उनको बचाव के लिए भगवान आएंगे. तो दैट एंकर ऑफ फेथ, प्रहलाद महाराज is getting bullied in the Gurukul for being a vegetarian, for speaking his mind, for standing up for his faith. ये सच्चाई है आज के बच्चों की. अगर बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, अपनी शिखा रखते हैं या फिर वेजिटेरियन होते हैं, तो बाकी बच्चे उनका उल्लास उड़ाते हैं. ऐसा है, मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा है. तो ये सारी चीजें जो है, जो आप एक्सपीरियंस करें, ये रियल लाइफ पे बेस्ड है. और इस प्रस्तुति में आपको वो सारे उत्तर मिल जाएंगे जो आप अपने ही फेथ से जूझते हैं, लड़ते हैं, समझने का प्रयास करते हैं. यू विल फाइंड ऑल दीज आंसर्स. सो आई चैलेंज यू दिस, वॉच दिस फिल्म आफ्टर 10 years, आपको नए आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाट वी आर टचिंग अपॉन इज समथिंग इटर्नल. वो सनातन है. We are giving those things in micro doses to you. Why? Because these are eternal stories of this land, of our purvaj, of our ancestors. So I think it's a 3-generation film. तो आपके बच्चे, उनके बच्चे, और जब तक महाअवतार सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स तक उनके बच्चे, तो 4 generations film. So I am there to help all of them. Thank you so much.
Listen to the creators, listen to the audience. I think this is the mantra we follow, because trends are keep changing. And coming to Mahavatar Narasimha, the story is eternal. That's it. Like you do it today, or it has come 40 years back. You do after 30 years. Like the stories will anyway run. But the way we make and the authenticity, don't add a fantasy into it. Don't try to bring in different characters and try to distort the culture. So be authentic to yourself and don't follow the trend. Listen to the audience. Give your best country.
That we have to go through. And उसमें बहुत सारे ड्राफ्ट्स, रीड्राफ्ट्स, क्योंकि इस प्रकार से आज तक बना ही नहीं. तो we have to keep doing it till it actually happens. And the artists to have that patience with me, like Samay and Manish and all the artists at Clean Productions, and all the sound design and all the people who have given the voices, to believe that ये होगा. क्योंकि आज तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है, तो आगे ऐसा होगा नहीं. तो they had to break that mindset. So that is more of a mindset issue. तो एक साल वो आर्टिस्ट मेरे पे ट्रस्ट करके हो रहे, बट इट्स अ लिटिल डेलिकेट इशू बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग गॉड्स, नो. So we are planning how to do it in a very glorified way rather than people just playing it through. We don't want that thing to happen. That is the only thing.
Ashwin sir,
But comics we are releasing very soon. Yeah.
okay. Hi Ashwin ji, Ashwin ji here.
जी कहाँ पे? हाँ जी.
My name is Nilesh and I'd like to congratulate you on the phenomenal success of the film.
धन्यवाद मेरे
My
दोस्त. That you see they are trained actors. And if they were not trained, then हमने उनको train करा. जैसे Haripriya has given the voice for Prahlad Maharaj in Hindi, and likewise Telugu, Tamil also, and Malayalam, Kannada also. Beautiful voices, because the voices have actually carried the film, and somewhere the flaws that you see are not seen. Why? Because the beauty of the emotion relate through the voices. And they're not unsung, my friend, because I'm going to do a complete different bite on them. Very soon we're going to be dishing it out, because they are the ones who should be celebrated also. So round of applause for all the people who gave the voices, right? और उनको बहुत redo करवाया मैंने, because मुझे बहुत गालियाँ दी, because we wanted the voice to sound a certain way. तो चाहे आदित्य जी हो गए जिन्होंने हिरण्यकश्यप की आवाज दी, राइट, पूरा सहयोग दिया. ही इज अ वेरी गुड ट्रेन्ड एक्टर, वॉइस एक्टिंग. तो दिस आल्सो ओपन्स अप द एंटायर वॉइस एक्टिंग मार्केट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, राइट. क्योंकि बहुत सारे हम वो छोटे मोटे एनिमेशन की वॉइस देने के बाद, दिस इज सीरियस एनिमेशन, सीरियस फिल्म बिल्डिंग, वेयर यू सी जैसे हॉलीवुड फिल्म में वो होता है, यू हैव सच ग्रेट एक्टर्स डूइंग दिस वॉइस एक्टिंग. So this is what is going to open the doors for everything. Thank you so very much for that question.
Hello sir, this is Ravi. Just wanted to ask कि अगर हम हिस्ट्री की बात करें, एनिमेशन फिल्मों की बात करें, तो इंडिया में जब भी एनिमेशन फिल्में चलती रही हैं, वो हॉलीवुड की या वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज की फिल्में ही चलती रही हैं मोस्टली. और यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने काफी कोशिशें की एनिमेशन फिल्में बनाने की, लेकिन वो वर्क नहीं किया. जी. तो उसका मार्केट इतना खुला नहीं. आपको क्या लगता है इस फिल्म के आने के बाद इंडिया में भी बड़े लेवल पर एनिमेशन फिल्में बनाने की शुरुआत होगी?
बिल्कुल होगी, आपके सामने है व्हाट इट इज, राइट. बिकॉज आई सॉ इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, वेरी ऑनेस्टली. नहीं था इसलिए हो सकता है, अगर हो रहा होता तो देयर वाज नो क्वेश्चन, राइट. सो योर क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट कि नहीं हो रहा था, बट क्यों नहीं हो रहा था, and trying to correct those factors. So there are so many factors. So rather than हम बिल्कुल नए सिरे से इसको सोचें, that was my game plan. And thanks to Chalvi sir, Vijay sir, that they understood what I'm saying. Because animation is a proven market abroad, and we are still consuming Bharat animation. That means हम भारतीय animation अगर big Hollywood style में दे लोगों को, then it will work. So lo and behold, you guys are loving it. I'm so thankful to all of you for that.
Hi, Akash here from Navpal.
जी,
आकाश है फ्रॉम जी. मेरा सवाल अश्विन प्रभु आपसे है. फर्स्ट हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण.
और जैसे आपने बताया भी था कि जब फिल्म की शुरुआत की थी तो कई सारे कंस्ट्रेंट्स थे फाइनेंशियल और कई सारे लेवल पर. अब जब फिल्म सफल हो गई तो सफलता के साथ एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आती है. जैसे आपने कहा कि अब बार रेस करने हैं, राइट. सो कितना इंप्रूवमेंट देखेंगे हम लोग जब महाअवतार परशुराम आएगा? पहला क्वेश्चन ये है. सेकेंडली, जब भी हम कोई ऐसी आध्यात्मिक फिल्म बनाते हैं तो जो प्रमाणित धर्मगुरु होते हैं उनसे आपने कितनी ये ली है, मतलब शिक्षा ली है?
तो ये फिल्म का सक्सेस मेरे अनुसार, although we are at a success meet, but a real success will happen when it reaches each and every soul on the planet. Because ये हर आत्मा के लिए ये फिल्म बनी है जो जूझ रहा है, right? That is the real success of this film. So there's long way to go. That is how I feel about it. जो पुराणिक तथ्य है और जो दर्शन है वो मेरे लिए बहुत आवश्यक है. सो इसलिए जितने भी धर्म गुरु हैं, हमारा शुरू से प्रयास रहा है जो राइटिंग के पॉइंट से ही, रिसर्च के टाइम से ही हम उनको इन्वॉल्व रखें. और हमने नेक्स्ट परशुराम जी के लिए भी यही करा है. वी हैव द रिसर्च टीम एंड जितनी भी संस्था और जितनी भी जीनियोलॉजी आज भी एग्जिस्ट करती है हमारे महाभागवत अपने श्री भगवान परशुराम के लिए, वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट दैट एंड वी आर वर्किंग सो दैट इट इज ऑथेंटिक टू द लैंड. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑथेंटिक टू द शास्त्र. सो उसका उल्लंघन करे बिना हाउ टू मेक अ बिग स्केल पैसा वसूल सिनेमा, दैट इज माय मिशन. So everything will go to the next level when we talk about Parshuram.
Hi Ashwin, Shubhra here from AVP News.
जी hi.
Congratulations to the team firstly.
धन्यवाद.
और अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले ये mention किया that budget was the reason because of which you did not cast actors in this film.
No. I didn't say that.
No? मतलब उनमें से एक कारण रहा होगा।
नहीं, even if I had the budget, I would still do this only.
Which that is my question कि आने वाले कल में clearly we can see that this one is a success and आने वाले कल में आपने बहुत कुछ plan कर रखा है. So would you at any point be open to the idea of casting actors or would it always be animation for you?
For the Mahavatar series, it's all animation. लेकिन apart from that, I have 2 live actions that I have already planned. One is a horror. And the other one is going to be on Ardhanareshwara concept that I'm basically writing and building. That will be live action.
Last 2 questions.
Hello. Yeah. So, I can't help but feel overwhelmed when I see this film because I have a Gen Z and who's been consuming all these Hollywood films. I think here's a film that we parents will be so proud to, and you as a parent can resonate with it. Post the runs in the theatres, where can we see the film, especially for, you know, I mean, I'm wondering, are you getting on YouTube or an OTT platform?
The producer question.
Hanji.
I personally feel this movie, the charisma of this movie is to be seen in the theatres, but of course it will eventually come to the OTTs.
Have you finalized?
Not finalized yet, but we'll do it soon.
Or go the YouTube way?
I think OTT has a very huge reach, so we'll definitely go through OTT.
All the best.
And rest of all what Sir advises us.
We get the chairs out. Get the chairs out 1 minute, please. 1 minute.